Welcome to the product explainer video of incident management in HCL SX. This is the consumer homepage of HCL SX. To log an incident, you can search for, report an issue offering from the global search option. You can view the offering details and click on proceed to move further. Once you provide the issue details and urgency, you can choose to search for any related knowledge articles. If you do not find the knowledge article useful, you can always revert to logging an incident ticket. You can choose to log the incident for yourself, or on behalf of someone. Since we reported the issue on someone's behalf, you can view the ticket details in Others section. If you are logged in as a member of the designated fulfillment group, use the left navigation menu and browse to Work Item Board. Under Incidents section, click on Assign to My Groups, and use the Edit button to open and view the incident ticket form. You can choose to assign the ticket to one of the support group's members, or use the feature to look for available individuals and then assign accordingly. Click on Action to assign an individual and save the ticket. Change the status of the ticket by clicking on Start Fixing, and it will move to In Progress. You can put in a comment and uncheck the internal button to update the consumer on the ticket's progress. Once the issue is resolved, you can provide the appropriate resolution details and the ticket will move to fixed status. Let us try picking a high priority issue next, from the Work Item Board. Since the issue needs urgent attention, use the Propose as Critical option to loop in the Critical Incident Management group. As an incident manager, use the Accept as Critical option to qualify the incident as critical. In cases where you feel the need to relate one or more CIs to the incident, you may do so from the Related Configuration Items section. You can also use the Related Work Items section to establish a parent-child or peer-to-peer relationship between tickets. Next, let's move the ticket status to In Progress by clicking on Start Fixing. You can use the Propose Change option if you feel a change request is needed for resolution of this incident. Fill in the details and click on Submit to automatically link the changed ticket to this incident. Click on Tasks button if you feel the need to create an ad hoc task at any point. Once the issue is resolved, click on Provide Fix and fill in the appropriate resolution details. You also have the option of opening a problem record for root cause investigation and analysis. You may navigate to the Related Work Items section in order to view the problem ticket you just created. Next, you will need to perform the critical incident review, and upon its submission, the incident will automatically move to closed status. You can also download the review details at the click of a button. This brings us to the end of this explainer video. Stay tuned for more videos on HCL SX. Thank you.